Over 200 students at the Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law in Patiala, Punjab are protesting against Vice Chancellor Dr. Jaishankar Singh over alleged misconduct, accusing him of inappropriate and sexist behavior. The students have now been on the roads of the campus for more than 36 hours and continue to do so. On September 23rd, the university was shut down indefinitely following allegations that Singh inspected the girls' hostel without notice, breaching their privacy. Students claim Singh's actions have adversely affected their morale and the university's reputation since his appointment in March. Listen in as a student shares their experience.
On 22nd September, we had the Vice Chancellor visit the girls' hostel mess, and temporarily during the initial part of his visit, he was not accompanied by our female warden. The problem, however, arises is that he went into the hostel building connected to the mess that does not house any first years at all. For the girls' hostel, specifically in our college, we have a very strict policy that says that no male members are allowed beyond the entry of the hostel. There's a poster that reads "No male members allowed," and that includes our family members. For that matter, our mothers are also not allowed within the premise of our hostel. And that was the initial triggering point as to how he could enter and why he went into the rooms.
Despite the administration's closure order, students remain steadfast, demanding Singh's resignation and an unconditional apology.
In one of the rooms, he went on to ask one of the girls in the room what she was doing. When she said she was studying, he questioned where she was studying from. And upon the disclosure where she was studying from, he went on to say that that's not the right medium to study from and she was not adequately doing what she was required to do in terms of academics. Comments being made on the clothing that women were wearing. It was continued with remarks on the financial status of students who were claiming for a scholarship from this college because they could not fulfill their fee requirements.
Students allege Singh entered their rooms unannounced, questioning their attire and academic choices. They condemn his so-called inspections, calling for an internal complaints committee to safeguard their rights.